Hello and welcome back to Road to Retirement. I'm Barry Mack, and apologies I haven't been here for a little while recently. We had a break over Christmas, but we're back at it full slog. Join me today when we look at our new workshop, which I built out the front. It's where all the works will go on for the van conversion, which hopefully will be happening within the next month or so. We're just about there. I've been looking at vans, busy hopefully get one within the next few weeks, and then we will start the van conversion. So all the tools have been moved to the front. The driveway is ready to receive a new van. So stick with me, have a look at what we've done in there, and yeah, thanks for coming along. If you're new to the channel, please maybe drop us a like. Maybe even better still, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. That would be amazing. And of course, as usual, if you want to drop a comment, I love comments and I love replying to them. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This week's video has been edited by my guest editor, Matthias, who has done a fabulous job of it. Thank you very much, Matthias. Your work is greatly appreciated. Hope you enjoy. Cheers and bye for now. So welcome back. It's a few weeks later. You're still in the boot of the car. I've been busy getting bits and bobs done. Welcome to the boot of the car. How are we getting on with this? Well, as you can see, I've got the door hanging. We got some locks on there. The key thing with this door was always to make sure that this bit across the top was nice and level. And as you can see, if I take off this bolt down here, triple locked, that I've been busy. So in here, we've got the makings of a workshop. And today then, what we need to do is we need to get a shelf in down the bottom there. And then over here on the wall, I brought some shelving back from Kean's shop. And we put that shelving in. I need to make sure it's all assembled properly, fix it back to the wall. And then on here, I need to get some boxes to put various things from the garage. But here we are, we're inside. As I say, it's a few weeks. So I've had an opportunity to get the place together, and let's see how we get on today, hey? And now for today's task, it's to get a shelf in down here underneath my new workbench, so that I can store the cool box. So first things first, better go measure the cool box and then work out exactly where I'm going to put this shelf. Just a little job, but it's keeping me busy on a chilly Saturday. Okay, so I've just been to measure the cool box, and basically I'm needing it to be at least 500 deep so that I can get the cool box stored in here and not in the conservatory. So it should be straightforward. I'm going to put a batten across here. Then I've got some OSB that I've brought back from Kean's shop, which I will measure the size I need. I believe I need it to be 600 deep. Actually, probably more like 570 deep there. I can add 570 on this other end. So what I'll do is I'll come out 570, which will bring me out to around about there. And then I'll put a batten from some of these offcuts that I've got. I'll put one, there we go, it's perfect. That's a perfect size. I'll actually use this one here. So if I get that, measure my distance 500 down, or just over 500 down from the top, and then just simply pop in the OSB. So now just get these last few screws in. And we're pretty much there. And there we have it, a custom-made shelf for the Ninja Coolbox. Loving it. And that's that purpose-made shelf specially for the Ninja Coolbox. Well, thanks guys. So that's just about it for today. Yeah, what I get done today, I'll use this other camera. I got that shelf in down here for the Coolbox. What else we got in here? I put in some power. I put that in the other week. That's wired in from inside in the house. And then it carries over. I have another double socket over here. We have the television with the YouTube, of course, as you would expect. We got a little fridge. Everybody needs a little fridge in their workshop. So I got cold drinks for during the day and then a beer for the end of the day. So perhaps as it's the end of the day, I might well have a little Staropramen. What else we got? We got the shelf here with all the screws on. I popped some screws and hooks and things just for spare tools up there. I've got the whiteboard with various jobs that need doing. What else have I done today? I put this up today. A piece of board that I'll be able to hang some stuff off. Fix these shelves so they're nice and rigid onto the wall, and started bringing more tools out from the garage. We've of course got the roof up there that you didn't see before. So pretty much we're done in here. It's so much better now. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using this for when I get my van. I park it out there where the car is, so I'll be able to reverse the van up and I'll have a little workshop that I'll be able to convert the van. Thanks very much for joining me today, guys. Please do like, subscribe, comment, do all those usual things. It's been an absolute pleasure having you along today, and here's to more. Goodbye. See you later.